One of the most common questions that I get is, how much life insurance do I really need? The answer depends on your financial situation, future obligations, and goals. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to calculate the right amount of life insurance coverage for you and your family. So let's dive in. Number one, consider your current financial needs. Start by calculating your current financial needs. If something happened to you today, would your family be financially secure? That's the question you need to ask yourself. So if not, start by adding up what you owe, your mortgage, car loans, and credit cards. Then think about your family's monthly expenses like housing, groceries, utilities, and more. And lastly, consider an emergency fund for unexpected costs like medical bills or home repairs. Now, life insurance can help cover these things so your loved ones aren't left struggling. A solid plan means peace of mind today for a financial future later. Number two, let's plan for future obligations. Think about future expenses you'd like to cover if you weren't here, like college tuition for your kids, your spouse's retirement needs, long-term care for your aging parents and dependents, or even your spouse. I had a client pass away unexpectedly, and his wife, who was 42 at the time, was left with a tough question. How would she pay for their son's college? And would her own retirement be secure? Without her husband's income and life insurance, her options were limited. In the end, she had to take a second job. And yes, I did make it a point to discuss life insurance while her husband Steve was still living. Why? Because a simple policy could have potentially aided with her son's tuition and protected Lisa's future without the financial stress of having to replace his income with a second job. Now, the moral of this story is, don't wait until someday. Now, that leads me to this. Income replacement. A general rule of thumb is to have 10 to 12 times your annual income in life insurance. This ensures your family can maintain their standard of living and meet financial needs, even without your income. Now, why? Because it ensures your family can keep up with mortgage payments, daily expenses, college tuition, and even retirement plans without financial stress. Now think about it like this, and I'll keep the math simple. If you make $100,000 a year, a $1 million term policy, for example, would replace 10 years of lost income. This would help keep your loved ones on track as far as security, stability, and peace of mind. Now let me wrap things up. Calculating life insurance coverage can seem complicated, but I'm here to help. And if you're ready to find the right amount of coverage for your unique needs, let's talk, because I'll make it simple for you. Now, don't stop there. Take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And check out my next video here for more ways for you to get the most out of your life insurance. And as I like to say, call Jay today. Thanks for listening.